Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Destiny 1 on PC with this complete setup guide. Before we get started, it's important to know that Destiny 1 was never officially released for PC. The game is only available on PlayStation 3, 4, Xbox 360 and 1. However, if you want to experience Destiny 1 on PC, there are two methods you can try. First method is by doing remote PlayStation Remote Play right over here. Basically, this is the official website for it. As you can see, it is Sony, PlayStation, and just click on download on the main page right over here. There's a few combinations on the bottom with the table right over here. Just go ahead and the most compatible for you. And the other method that you can try is by doing a compatible console emulator. Just go ahead and search up any console emulator for you and make sure it is official. Keep in mind that the emulation requires a powerful PC and compatibility may vary depending on the emulator and the game version. You'll also need to legally own the game and follow the emulator setup instructions before attempting to launch it. Basically, download and install a supported emulator, then complete an initial setup, including any required firmware and configuration files. After that, configure the graphics settings, controls the best performance. Next, again, once more, legally obtain Destiny 1 game files to the emulator. Once done, basically everything should be set up and configured to your liking. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.